Alright guys, so I have a 2018 Drz400sm, and it's the black edition with the yellow stripes and gold wheels. So I picked up this gold DRC chain slider from eBay. So we're about to assemble it. Let me put you guys down. Alright, so first things first, you get the you get the metal plate first, and then the one with the little groove on top is gonna go right on the bottom. And then essentially you're gonna put the other plate right here, but as the bolt goes through, you gotta screw it in. So let's see. Alright, here's the first step. This is how it looks. It's just loose. So I flip it around. I sit on the table. That's the easiest way I could come up with. And then we get the other back plate. I'm gonna put it right on there. Alright, so this is what we're gonna do. You're gonna try to hold it. I don't got my Allen key, so that's my bad. I'm gonna try to hold it. Try to do it this way. We're gonna try to screw one end at a time. Just like this. See how it's coming up from the other end? The back plate, you just gotta screw it on. Alright, let's go with the other one. Alright, it's fully tight. Here's how it looks. See how the holes match up? It's going in one direction. Alright. So we'll put the washers on. And we'll put the little nuts on. I don't want to put it too tight because I don't have my tools with me. I want to be able to take it off. Alright. That's how it should look. And then we put the other piece. It's gonna go right in here. Same process. You gotta screw it onto the back plate. Just like this. Just like that. Now let's put the last one. Alright, it should just look like that. Put the washers. And then the little nuts back on them. That's how it should look. Right there, we're almost done. This is the whole 360 of it. Oh. Should be flush, but I gotta tighten it from the back. They're all should be flush. All right. So this little bolt that it comes with, you just put on the bike itself. Attaches to the bike. You got extra 2 bigger bolts with 2 bigger nuts and just the same washers. You go up here, same procedure, but they just basically bolt onto the bike. So in theory, you should just look like this, you know, tied down to the bike with the metal, I forgot the metal plate, I'm sorry. So it should just look just like that. And essentially just tied down to the bike. And that's the final product. Now I will make another video installing it onto the bike, so stay tuned for that.